New York's highest court hears an appeal that could force the redrawing of the state's 26 congressional districts again.
The move could help Democrats take control of the House from Republicans. CBS 2's political reporter Marcia Kramer is here with the story. Marcia.
Well, Dick and Dana, the Democrats want the court to help them blow up New York's congressional map to turn last year's red wave into a blue wave and return them to power in the House. It has such national importance, both sides were trading blows.
What happened last year was a travesty.
They just don't want to compete. They would rather cheat.
State Republican Party Chairman Ed Cox, Senate Deputy Majority Leader Michael Gianaris, the yin and the yang at the heart of an intensely political court battle in which Democrats are asking the State Court of Appeals to order a redrawing of district lines for New York's 26 congressional districts. Control of the House of Representatives could hang in the balance. If the court, which met here in Buffalo today, buys the Democrat arguments, the new lines could alter the makeup of the New York delegation, which now has 26 members, 15 Democrats and 11 Republicans. Among them, the vulnerable the six freshman Republicans who the Democrats would like to unseat. They include Congressman Nick LaLota, George Santos and Anthony Desposito of Long Island, Mike Lawler of Rockland County, Mark Molinaro of Dutchess County, and Brandon Williams of Syracuse. Ed Cox says the Democrats could also try to redraw a 7th district and put more Democrats in Staten Island Congresswoman Nicole Malliotakis' bailiwick.
I think that's what the attempt this year, to re-gerrymander in a way that they have a better chance of winning 7 more seats.
Since Republicans have a 4-seat advantage in Washington right now, do the math. The New York elections could make House Minority Leader Hakeem Jeffries of Brooklyn the top dog. The Democrats are very sensitive about why the top court removed state lawmakers from the redistricting process last year and gave it to a special master. The court said the original lines had been unfairly gerrymandered. The Democrats want to take back the power.
The decision issued last year was, by most accounts, one of the most infamous wrong-headed decisions this Court of Appeals has ever issued.
Well, after hearing from both sides for nearly 2 hours, the court reserved decision. A ruling is expected in mid-December. Now, if the Democrats win, they would have to pull out their crayons quickly. The petitioning process for the seat starts at the end of February, a decision many people are going to be looking for.
No kidding.
They're crayons, really.
Crayons.
Okay, stay between the lines, though. All right, thanks, Marcia.
The lines, very good.
The lines, very good.